So I'm replacing the lifters in my truck because it's got some really bad knocking in the morning when I start it. Clacking goes away, so I was assuming it was hydraulic lifters that were going bad. And this lifter is the one I pulled out of cylinder number 5 all the way in the rear. And I found this. The push rod also has some wear on it. This is the push rod from it. So, wasn't sure what was going on with it, but I seem to have found the problem. Well, hopefully. Also, this was frozen in the intake manifold, the lower intake, when I was trying to take this EGR line off. So I had to destroy it. And Advance Auto wants $200 for a new one, so I ended up getting one from Walmart.com for the same Dorman part number. I think it's 285 205. I think it's the part number. I can't confirm. I'll put it in the description if you guys want it. Now I have to work on cutting off the EGR line right there on the exhaust manifold and then getting a breaker bar or something on it from the fender well to get it off. But part won't even show up for another probably 4 or 5 days because today's July 4th. So, gotta wait for shipping. So, if anyone's wondering, if you take the inner fender well off of the truck, you're able to get a 1-inch socket on this. I ended up cutting off the EGR tube with a hacksaw, and I used a 1 1/16 socket, but I have a 27 and 1 1/16. I believe this is a 1-inch, but I was able to break it free with the 1 1/16. I just put a 1/2 inch on there, a big ratchet, and cracked it loose. If anyone's having trouble with these things, that's how you do it.